Pranam everyone, my name is Bholi Parihar and I welcome you all to Sai Yoga. Dear friends, this is day 4 weight loss challenge, so let's start. So we are going to start with a warm up and let's heat up the body a little bit. Hand should be here, let's warm the body. Move your leg by the side and bring your arms up. Exhale, come to the same spot. Let's do it simply 25 times. 1, breathing should be normal. 2, 3, 4, 5, keep it slow, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here we're done with this. Hand should be in front of your body. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, touch your hands with your thighs. Inhale up. Exhale, hands down. Inhale up. Exhale, hands down. 3 and exhale down. 4 and exhale down. 5 and down. 6 and down. 7 and down. 8 and down. 9 and down. Last and final 10 and exhale. Bring your arms all the way up. Now move your body to the side. Inhale and center. Light stretching of sides. You can take support if you want. Exhale down and opposite side. Let's do it simply 15 times. 1, 2. Try to open your fingers as much as possible for you. 3, 4, 5, 6, feel the stretching, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and relax. We did extra 1, that is fine. Now bring your arms all the way up. Now let me show you by the side. Exhale, you have to lean your body down, touch the floor, bend your knees. Inhale, bring your arms up and twist your body, and then again arms up. Exhale, bend your knees, touch the floor with 5 fingers. Inhale, bring your arms up, twist your body, and again arms up. Let's do it non-stop 15 times. Catch my movements. Exhale. Inhale up and twist. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale, twist. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Second round. Exhale, twist. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, twist. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, touch the floor. Third round, inhale and exhale. Twist your body completely. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, arms up. Exhale down. Fourth round, inhale and exhale. And exhale. Inhale, arms up. Exhale down. Fifth round. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, arms up. Exhale and twist. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Sixth round. Twist your body. If somewhere I missed the count, forgive me. Inhale, arms up. Exhale and twist. Bring your arms all the way up. Exhale, 7th round. Inhale, arms up. Come on, give the proper stretching and twisting for your body. And twist to the opposite side. Inhale and exhale. 8th round and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Bring your arms up and down. 9th round and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Bring your arms up, exhale and down. Bring your arms all the way up. 10th round. You can look or have a look over my sweat. You can see the sweating over my face. If you do with proper breathing, it will help you to heat up your body and strengthen and give the nice and deep stretching to your body. This is 11th round. Bring your arms up, exhale down. Last 4 rounds. Inhale up, exhale and twist. Inhale up, exhale, twist. Inhale, arms up, exhale, twist. My dear friends, inhale, bring your arms up. Last final 3 rounds. Twist your body, use your spine, twist to the other side. Arms up, exhale and down. Last 2 rounds, almost done. Exhale, bring your arms up, exhale. Inhale, arms up, exhale and down. Last and final round. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Bring your arms up. Exhale. Bend your knees. Fix your palms on the ground and stay here for 3 breaths. 3, 2, 1 and done. Now move your body forward and walk your legs back. Come to the downward facing dog. Make sure that no need to touch your heels on the ground and press your upper body back. Open your fingers. Stay here for 5 breaths. 5. You can bend your knees if you're not feeling comfortable. 4, 3, 2, 1 and done. Bend your knees more and come step by step forward with the widened legs. Now, toes should be pointing outside and bring your arms up. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Palms down and go step by step back to the downward facing dog. Non-stop, we will do 10 times. Stay here for 5 breaths of 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come step by step forward. Toes should be pointing a little outside. Bring your arms up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Exhale. Hands on the ground and go step by step back. Now let's do it without hold. Step by step forward. 3rd round. Bring your arms gently up. Exhale. First your right leg back, then left leg back. Bend your knees. First your left leg forward, then right leg forward. 5th round, arms all the way up. Exhale. Right leg back, then left leg. Bend your knees, your left leg forward, then right leg. Slowly bring your arms up with inhalation. 6th round, exhale. Go right leg back, then left leg. Left leg forward slowly, then your right leg. Toes should be a little outside. Bring your arms up. Let's do the 7th round. Exhale. Right leg and then left leg. First your left leg, then your right leg. Bring your arms up. Proper, simple, widened leg posture you could call a variation of Devyasana. 8th round, right leg, then your left leg. Slowly forward and keep it slow. No rush. Simple breathing. 9th round, almost done. We all can do it. Right leg, then left leg back. 9th round, almost done. Bring your arms up. Last and final round, exhale. Right leg back, then left leg. Now bend your knees and move your left leg between your hands and drop your back leg knee down. Now, if you could balance your body, that is nice. If you can't, then keep taking support by the side. Now what you have to do, tuck your back leg, toes inside and lift your back leg knee up in air. Exhale, drop your knee down and lift your knee up. Simple, nothing else. So let's do it 3 times. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Extend your back leg knee and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now that time we have to hold for 5 breaths. Inhale, 5. Move your body towards your hands. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your back leg, heel on the ground. Straight your front leg if possible for you. Keep taking support with the left leg and come to the supported triangle pose. Gaze up. You can look at the sweating over my face. Keep doing with the breathing. Last 5, 4. Try to open your heart and chest. 3, 2, 1. And again, hand should be by the side of your feet. Bend your front leg knee and lift your back leg heel up. Come to the downward facing dog. Stay here for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move your right leg between your both hands. Now drop your back leg knee down. If you could balance without support, then you can do without support. If you want support, keep doing with the support. Raise your back leg knee up in air and move your body towards your hands. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale and down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Last time, inhale and exhale. Now raise your knee up, move and touch your back leg to heel on the ground. Keep taking support with the shin and come to the triangle pose, a supported triangle pose. Not triangle, but yet a supported triangle. 5, 4. You can bend the knees if you're not feeling comfortable. 2, 1. And here we done. Palm here by the side and come to the downward facing dog. Stay here for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And done. Come step by step forward. Take support from the back and sit down. Now straight your both legs. Let's do the last and final movement. We are going to do the Purvottanasana and Paschimottanasana. Fix your hands back and fingers should be pointing towards your thighs. Point your toes outside. Inhale, bring your central body up. Exhale and down. If it's difficult for you, then how you could do it? Bend your knees. Inhale, body up. Exhale. Bring your arms up. Exhale. Touch your feet if you can. Second, inhale, bring your body up. Exhale, down. Bring your arms up. Exhale, gentle forward fold. No need to go to the deep forward fold. Stay here. Now again, rotate your arms back. Inhale, bring and come to the Purvottanasana. Exhale, down. I told you the variation, that how you could do it. If it's difficult for you, exhale, touch your feet, either shin. Rotate your hands and then arms back. Come on, 5 more times. Inhale and exhale. Bring your arms up, touch your feet, or you can touch your knees or shin. Rotate your hands and arms back. Last 3 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Arms all the way up. Exhale, touch your feet. Rotate your arms up and back. Last final 2 times. Inhale. Exhale. Arms up. Exhale. Inhale. Rotate your arms last and final time. Inhale. Exhale. Arms all the way up. Exhale. Touch your feet or shin. Stay here for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Lie down on your mat and rest for 5 minutes to 10 minutes according to your comfort of your body. Flip your palms all the way up and simple relaxation. This is really very important to take a little break in Shavasana just after all Yogasanas. Gently open your eyes. Take left turn and sit. So here we're done with this entire flow. Hope you love this flow. If you give lots of love to this flow, then I would love to make such more videos. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and like us. Now let's come to the question of the day. Type down or write it down your favorite yoga posture. After this video, you could have a look over this video. Till then, have a sigh of relief.